Hello friends, welcome to Trinity Cultural Academy, Coimbatore. Today we are going to see Paper 1 Horticulture Test Series number 4 from Production Technology of Vegetable Crops. Let's get into the questions and answers. First question. Highest vegetable producing state of India is Uttar Pradesh in general. West Bengal stands first during 2017 to 18 for the highest vegetable producing state in India. USA stands at which position in total vegetable production? Third place. India stands first in total production of peas and okra. Fourth question. Which of the following is a leading vegetable crop in India in production wise? Potato. Top 3 cultivating vegetable in accordance with area and production. First is potato, second one is onion and third one is tomato. Fifth one. Which of the following is the leading export commodity of India? We all know fresh onion. Which of the following country is the major importer of preserved cucumber and gherkins from India? The answer is USA. Seventh one. Hollow heart in potato is due to poor ventilation, whereas moisture deficiency leads to internal brown spot in potato. Black Beauty is a variety of brinjal. Wolf apple is a common name of tomato. Tomato is also considered as poor man's orange in India, whereas in England it is called as love of apple. 10th one. Golden acre is a variety of cabbage. This golden acre is a round-headed type. 11th one. Arka Anmol, a variety in brinjal, is a result of cross between Pusa purple long into Hyderpur. Next question. Match. Can you match it? The first one, Bendi. Answer is Prabhani Kanti, which is resistant to yellow vine mosaic virus. Second one, chili. MDU1, it is from gamma ray mutant 1. Cauliflower. Improved Japanese, it is a mid-early variety of cauliflower. And another one, cabbage, Pusa mukka, is a resistant to black rot. 13th question. Temperature required for blotting of onion is less than 15 degrees Celsius. The species name of brinjal is Melongena, whereas sativa is Cucumis sativa cucumber. Which growth regulator is used to increase fruit set in tomato? 2,4-D. IIHR is located at Bangalore. Indian Institute of Horticultural Research is located at Bangalore. 17th one. Which of the following is a secondary nutrient? Can know, it's a magnesium. Next, 18th one. Whiptile of cauliflower is due to deficiency of molybdenum, MO. 19th one. Which of the following is the richest source of vitamin A? Whether it is a carrot or onion, radish or cucumber. Carrot is the correct answer. 20th one. Blossom end rot of tomato is due to the deficiency of calcium. Muriate of potash is KCl. 22. Reclamation of saline soil is done by applying, whether it is a lime or a gypsum or potmoss or FIM, it is by applying gypsum. 23. Richest source of protein, whether it is a bean or root vegetables, whether protein is contained in the leafy vegetables or in moringa. Richest source of protein is in beans. 24. Pollination is in cucumber is done by honeybees. Chromosome number of okra is 130, whereas 24 for muskmelon, 18 for lettuce, 22 for celery and watermelon, and so on is there. Term horticulture is as a Latin word. Consider the statement. China is the first in area and production of vegetables. China is first in area and production of potato. CPCRI headquarters is UT. Which one is correct? The first two are the correct. Match the following. Kufri red is a variety of potato. Pusa ruby is a variety of tomato. Pusa kesar, carrot. Arka jodi, watermelon. And the triploid variety of watermelon, Pusa badana and Arka medula. Match the following. South America is origin of tomato. Peas, Central Asia. Bottle gourd, South Africa. Nulkul, Mediterranean. Most of the coal crops are the origin of Mediterranean. Next 30. Match the following. The chromosome number. Chili 24. Potato 48. Amaranthus 28. Turnip 32. So the correct answer is option A, B, option D, C, D, A. Consider this statement. Asparagus is a dicot. Amaranthus is a monocot. Elephant yam is a dicot. Elephant yam is a monocot. Which one is the correct one? Option D. Elephant yam is a monocot. 32. What is the botanical name of sweet potato? It is Ipomia batatas. Next, match the following. Elephant foot yam. Amorphophallus campanulatus. Greater yam. Dioscorea alata. Lesser yam. Dioscorea esculenta. White yam is Dioscorea rotundata. So option A is the correct one. Which organization is related to marketing of horticulture? APIDA. Aroma in onion is due to the compound allyl propyl disulfide. In garlic, it is diallyl disulfide. 36. Which of the following type of lima bean needs support? Pole types. Which of the following is perennial crop? Chow chow, it has viviparous nature too. 38. Which of the following is a stem vegetable? Nulkul. An F1 hybrid of cucumber is Pusa sanoi. AVRDC is located at Taiwan. Can you abbreviate AVRDC? Asian Vegetable Research and Development Center is located at Taiwan. Bitter taste of brinjal is due to the presence of solosodium. Whereas cassava has the bitter principle of cyanogenic glucosides. Option C when it comes to cassava. Black heart is a physiological disorder of potato. Black leg of cabbage is caused by fungus. Match the following. Black rot in cauliflower is due to bacterial disease. Black rot in cabbage is transmitted through seeds. Blossom end rot is a non-parasitic cause. Brown heart is a physiological disorder in turnip. As I said earlier, while we are discussing about in match, brinjal variety MDU1 is evolved through gamma rays. 46. Broad bean is also known as faba bean. Tapioca belongs to the family of Euphorbiaceae. Cabbage is a cross-pollinated crop owing to self-incompatibility. Then 49th question, match the following. Carrot, Umbelliferaceae. Sweet potato, Convoluaceae family. Next, Bendi, Malvaceae family. Lettuce, Asteraceae family. 50. Carrot is rich in carotene. Thank you friends for watching the video. Kindly subscribe the channel to receive the upcoming videos. Thank you.